know what I just took off my crochet hook? Well, I'm going to show you coming up next. And welcome back to Turtle Creativity. I am so excited to announce a new video series called What's Off My Hook? And What's Off My Hook, I will be sharing the latest crochet project that I just completed. Each week, I will be uploading a new video on Wednesdays. I will show you exactly what I used to create the project, what stitch I use, and about how long it took me to create it. If I see that there is a demand for me to recreate this project in a tutorial, then I would definitely do that. So if you like what I just took off my hook, then let me know in the comments below and I will create a video tutorial, step-by-step guide so that you may create what I just took off my hook. Okay, friends, what do you think? This is what I just took off my hook. It is a scarf that I crocheted using the double crochet stitch. I chained about 33 across, and then I double crocheted all the way down. At the ends, I put these cute little tassels at the end. I wanted the scarf to definitely be more pink than black. So I did 20 rows of pink, 10 of black, and then I kept doing it until I had the length that I desired. I can't wait to use this scarf because it's able to wrap around many times and keep me nice and warm. What do you think, friends? Do you like my scarf? Well, everyone, that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed the very first episode of What's Off My Hook? If you enjoyed today's video, please make sure that you like and share. And if you haven't done so, please subscribe to my channel. Oh, and to stay in the know, please hit that bell below. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, everyone.